In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix MetaTrader 5 not connecting to the server. We'll move from the quickest checks to the more involved fixes, so follow along and test after each one. First, confirm your internet connection is actually working. Open a web page you don't have cached, or refresh a site you use often. If it's slow or not loading, restart your Wi-Fi router or toggle mobile data off and on. MetaTrader 5 needs a live, stable connection to pull quotes and place trades, so fix the network before touching the platform. Next, restart MetaTrader 5. Close the app completely, then launch it again. A fresh start often forces the platform to re-establish a clean connection to your broker's servers. When MT5 opens, look at the bottom right corner of the window. That status area tells you exactly what's happening. If you see no connection, your network or firewall may be blocking access. If it says invalid account, your login or server selection is likely wrong. If you only see very small or fluctuating numbers, your internet may be unstable. If the status suggests an account issue, log in again. Go to File, then log into Trade Account. Enter your login ID, your password, and select the correct broker server from the list, then click OK. Watch out for typos, case sensitivity, or spaces accidentally copied into the fields. Make sure you pick the right server for your account type. Brokers usually have different servers, such as demo and live. If your account is live, but you try to connect to a demo server, it will fail and often show invalid account. If you don't see your broker's server, add it to MT5. Go to File, open an account, type your broker's name, and click Find Your Company. MetaTrader will scan and display available servers. Choose the correct one and proceed, then try logging in again from the File menu. If you still can't connect, check your firewall or antivirus. On Windows, open Windows Security, go to Firewall and Network Protection, and allow MetaTrader 5 through the firewall. After allowing it, restart MT5 so the change takes effect. Ensure your platform is up to date. MT5 typically updates automatically after a restart. If you see an update prompt, let it complete before trying to log in again. And if nothing else works, reinstall MetaTrader 5. Uninstall the app, download a fresh installer from the official MetaTrader 5 website, install it, then log back into your account. If you use custom indicators or templates, back them up beforehand. Work through these steps in order, and you should be back online quickly.